Hey everyone, today we are back with another video and it's about the kids with the greatest number of candies. We are given n kids with candies and we are also given an integer named extraCandies. Basically, in this list we will have a certain number of candies for every kid, and if when we give a certain kid the extraCandies amount, he becomes the kid with the highest amount of candies, we have to return true. Otherwise, we have to return false. And we can have multiple kids that can have the greatest number of candies. So let's start right in. In my intuition, to solve this problem, first we need to know who is the kid, or what's the highest amount of candies that already exists. And for that, we can just do extraCandies equals max, and then candies. And like this, we will know what's the highest amount of candies. Then we have to iterate for every kid, and if when we give the kid the extraCandies, the number of the already existing candies plus the extraCandies surpasses max candies, then he will be one of the kids with the greatest amount of candies. So then we create an array with kids greatest candies, and now we can just iterate through all the kids. Where we get the amount of candies, and if kid candy plus extra candies is equal or bigger than max candies, then this kid will be the kid with the greatest amount of candies. So we append true. Otherwise, we append false. And this is all we have to do here. We then return the list with the kids' greatest candies. Check our solution if it runs on the test cases. It does. So then we also check if it can run on the separate test cases, and it does. And our solution beats 100% of the other solutions in runtime. And in memory it's a bit slower. For this we could also modify the array in place, the candies. In this case I created another list with kids' greatest candies. This solution has a O(n) runtime. That's because we first go through the list of candies to get the maximum number of candies. So that's 1n at least, if in the worst case the candy is in the end, the maximal amount. And this is not ordered, so we still have to go to the end. And also we iterate for every kid, and we get the amount of candies that the kid has, and we add the extraCandies to verify that it becomes the kid with the largest amount of candies. So this is another n, and basically this is 2n, but in algorithm complexity this is referred to as still O(n) because it's linear. And for space it's also O(n) because we created a list with kids' greatest candies where we append n elements, one for each kid, which can be true or false. So basically, to sum up, this is a O(n) runtime complexity and also a solution with O(n) space complexity. I thank you for your attention, and I look forward to having you on our next video.